I've been performing 4-day fasts now for 4 months, and I've decided it's time to start preparing for maintenance. I've lost over 65 pounds, and I'm this close to goal. But part of this preparation, part of this weight loss journey is shortening these fasts. But I want to do it strategically, methodically, in a way that I know can be sustainable, all while still losing the bit of weight I need to hit my 140-pound goal. Let me explain. But before I do, welcome to day 110 of my fasting journey, my weight loss journey, my health and wellness journey, my health and happiness journey. Tonight, I'll be completing my 27th consecutive fast. Typically, these fasts end at the 90+ hour mark, but tonight I will be breaking at the 65-hour mark. I am currently 63 hours and 46 minutes into my current fast, but more on this in a bit. This morning, I weighed in at 151.6 pounds, or 68.8 kilo, for a total loss of 66.2 pounds, or 30 kilos exact, in 110 days, just a few days shy of 4 months. My last 26 fasts have averaged nearly 95 hours, with an average eating window or a refeed of 4 hours. Tonight, things take a change with this 65-hour fast. The last 65-hour fast I performed was back on day 5 of my journey at 67 hours and 11 minutes. This was 105 days ago. Now, here's the thing. When I break tonight at 65-ish hours and after I refeed, I won't be performing another 65 fast. I'm going to hop right back on another 90-hour fast. In fact, my plan, my strategy is to get accustomed to shorter fasts and incorporate 65-hour fasts into my 90-hour fasts. So my plan is to do 3 consecutive 90-hour fasts and then incorporate another 65-hour fast in. I'm basically still doing my 90-hour fasts, but throwing in a 65 here and there. Eventually, instead of a 90-90-90-65, it'll turn into a 90-90-65, and then sometime after that, it might just be a rotating 90-65, 90-65. And as time moves forward and my weight lowers even a bit more, I will start then incorporating 65s only, and then incorporating 42-hour fasts, which ideally is where I want to be, performing consecutive 42-hour fasts, or essentially alternate day fasting. This is currently what I'm thinking of as I'm getting closer to goal weight, but the cadence of these fasts, I think I'm still going to have to play it by ear. I'm not at goal weight yet. I still have 11.6 pounds to lose. And the thought of me going from a 90-hour fast to a 42-hour fast once I hit goal weight, I'm a little afraid of doing something that drastic, dropping the hours like that, because especially the way I refeed, I'm a little scared that I won't be able to control how much I'm eating every 42 hours versus what I'm doing right now at the 95-ish hour average fast I'm doing. I know that might seem a little crazy or silly, but the fact that I have been eating once every 4 days for the last 4 months, and then all of a sudden eating every other day, I think I'm a little scared of overdoing it with the eating. I think incorporating a 65-hour fast every now and then sliding that down into a 42-hour fast is a lot more strategic for my, I guess the best way to say it is for my mental health, and letting my body know that it's able to eat a little more frequently now, but not at the point of you've been eating once every 4 days. Now you can eat once every other day. I just think for someone like me, I need to ease into it. And again, ideally, my goal is to do consistent 42-hour fasts or alternate day fasts, but I don't think I will ever go away from doing an occasional 65-hour fast or even a 90+ hour fast. I think that's something I'll still keep using in my toolbox. And it's going to be something that I'm going to have to play by ear, depending on how my refeed is, depending on what I ate during my refeed, or even depending on how long my eating window is. There are a lot of factors to play in here. And I think I'm starting to realize that this might be a bit of a difficult process. I think about in the past when I gained all the weight back and I knew there were some warning signs. I think a month or two before I completely left YouTube, there were some times where I went off the rails. And I don't know if it was because I all of a sudden just started eating every other day. Like, I know I went from 90s to 65s to 42s, but I didn't incorporate it like I'm trying to do so right now. And I think my plan at this moment might be a little more helpful. But I also know I've done a lot of the heavy lifting already when it comes to getting the weight down. And I am ready to move on to the next phase. I'm also not going to lie, it's exciting to think about the fact that I get to eat more frequently, that even today I get to eat after a 3-day fast instead of a 4-day fast. I just need to make sure that I'm strategic about it and I don't overdo it. This is the mental part of it. This is the tough part of continuing on this journey. But I do want to make sure that I continue to be transparent and accountable because my health depends on it. With that being said, I have one question for you. Are you ready to make your fasting and weight loss goals happen? If this video or all my other videos aren't enough motivation or inspiration for you, let me provide you with the tools, the accountability, and the support that you need to find lasting success when it comes to your health and wellness journey. Calendly.com/finallyfasting for accountability, weight loss, and fasting coaching. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll see you guys soon.